Gardens, landscaping, and other ornamental plants provide attractive focal points for residential and commercial properties, as well as other health benefits, but require a lot of upkeep to maintain properly, and are often the targets of small, plant-eating animals and pests. If you've noticed your garden is being damaged or eaten by small animals like rabbits, gophers, or armadillos, then check out Stopper RTU Spray Repellent. This product is a natural, non-toxic, ready-to-use spray that will control small animals without the use of any poisons. This product works by irritating the animal's senses of smell, taste, and touch to provide harmless, humane animal control. Stopper RTU Spray Repellent is long-lasting, and one application will repel labeled animal pests from treated areas for up to 30 days. Stopper RTU Spray Repellent is ready to use with no other application tools necessary. Before you apply Stopper, identify areas on your property where rabbits, skunks, gophers, or other small animals are likely to invade or nest. Look for openings in fences, animal burrows or tunnels, and areas shaded by ornamental plants. To minimize direct contact with the product, put on your personal protective equipment or PPE. We recommend you wear gloves, a long-sleeve shirt, long pants, closed-toe shoes, a facial covering, and protective eyewear. Shake the bottle thoroughly, then set the adjustable nozzle from off to spray. Apply a fine mist to the areas you wish to treat and get an even coating. Take care not to over-apply. Apply Stopper RTU Spray Repellent liberally to dens, tunnels, entry points, and around plants that need protection. If protecting plants or crops grown for consumption, apply this product as a perimeter application. Allow 20 minutes for the product to dry, and reapply this product as needed every 30 days. Use Stopper to prevent rabbits and other small animals from invading residential or commercial properties. This product is labeled to repel rabbits, armadillos, groundhogs, skunks, gophers, raccoons, and beavers. Apply this product to dens, tunnels, perimeter entry points, and around plants that need protection. Do not apply this product directly to plants grown for consumption, but you may apply this product around dormant fruit and nut trees. Use Stopper when small animals have been noticed around your property or when signs of their activities, such as nesting and foraging, have been observed. Stopper RTU Spray Repellent is safe to use and harmless to children or pets when used according to label directions. Always wear the proper PPE when handling any pest control products.
Solutions Pest and Lawn is a small, family-owned business that relies on people like you to succeed. Our goal is to help you treat your pest problem. If you have any questions after watching this video, please email, call, or stop by one of our stores and we can help you out.